Okay, so this video is carrying on from the brake system. As you've seen, the back brake engages the front and the back brakes. So when you press this back brake pedal, have you seen it? It's got a double banjo, so it goes to the front, to the back, but the pipe on the back of the caliper, this one here, goes all the way at the front to here, which is a bit strange. So the front brake literally presses the back brake. That's what we don't want. So what we're going to do is remove this pipe here, get that pipe from the back brake to the front, and then rewire it. So we'll guide you through what we're doing. If you've got a 4-wheel brake system and you want to convert it to 2, we'll show you what we need to do. So we've took the M10 bolt out. Now what we need to do is chop these tie clips and then remove this pipe that's going from the back to the front. What we need to do is open this, make sure there's no fluid in here. Okay, so we've took this off so we can see how much brake fluid's left in there. There's not much left. Let's just lift this filter up, and the remaining brake fluid should be draining out the back. Look like the brake fluid needed to change anyway. See the colour on that? That's supposed to be white, not white, yellow. Just get the rest of that out and put fresh racing brake fluid in it. So we're unplugging the switch for the brake switch, so we can twist this off now. Right, so hose is ready now to come off from the front. We need the washers. Wear gloves when you're messing with brake fluid. It is very corrosive and sensitive if you've got sensitive skin. I should just pull. That's it. Go. Bloody hell, Nora. So we need to take that off from there and feed that through up into here. So you always clean the washers and the banjo bolt before installing. Always double check the surface where it's going to make, and then put the washers on and then screw that in there and then wire it all up. So as you can see at the back of the caliper, because it has 2 brake hoses for some don't know why reason, and probably 2 pistons in there, because we've took the banjo off the bolt and it's only a single, we won't be able to use a single pipe. So we've got this other pipe with 2 ends, and we're gonna bolt that onto there, so it's still like a double banjo system, so it could still work both rear pistons in the caliper. So I see what I mean. We've got both pistons working now on the rear caliper because we've still kept the double banjo bolt. So now that them 2 are going to the rear, front one is going to the front. So yeah, it's a bit tricky, but if you understand the means like of how it works, it can be converted from a 4-wheel drive brake system to a front-wheel drive brake system. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to bleed your brakes. Make sure you also put in the recommended brake fluid for your ATV. Brake fluid in to the top, pump the pedal down 3 times, hold the pedal down. Whilst you hold the pedal down, open the bleed nipple. See, this has got 2. So open the pipe that's got no brake fluid in it first, because we replaced this pipe. Let the air come through. Make sure the brake pedal is still down at this moment. Tighten the nipple up, pump again, and then repeat the same process. There is a video on my channel of bleeding the brakes on the Subaru Impreza Brembo brakes, and that's the same process because that had 2 nipples on the brakes as well. So if you're not too sure, by all means go check out that video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends that have got quad bikes, ATVs that are struggling, and there will be lots more videos coming. Thanks again.
It's not a game.